Simon, for agreeing to being on the video. So you've got trigger thumb. How severe was it?
It was very bad, very painful.
How long had you had the pain for?
It's about 2 weeks before I got here.
Okay. And this is your third session. When did you feel an improvement?
Same day.
First session?
First session, I had a good sleep because I was struggling to sleep. So the pain would wake me up at night. So the first session, then I managed to sleep. I was even able to play with the joint.
Okay.
Like it was less pain.
Okay.
Second day was the same. We'll see how it goes today.
We're going to start with our ultrasound. We're going to use the SpectroChrome Laser today, which is all very exciting. Yes. Our instrument assisted soft tissue mobilization and our tuning fork. We have a new tuning fork too with better frequency. Okay, let's begin. Let's see how it feels.
Let's see how it feels. Looking forward.
So I'm using a pendulum just to see where the energy block is around the tissue which is damaged. See how I move it towards that joint? It moves. Let's just put your other thumb here. Okay, so let's just compare to the uninjured thumb. It's not moving.
Not at all.
Not moving.
Not at all. Even by the joint.
Yeah, we bring it across to the damaged tissue and it's going crazy.
Amazing. Can't believe this.
So now we're going to use the laser and then we'll see what it does after the laser.
Okay.
All right, so now I'm going to work with the laser. And we now know from the pendulum that the tissue that's damaged is very much around the A1 pulley. So this is post-treatment. It's still.
It is still.
Yes, we're going to pop your splint on. We've taped your thumb.
Yes.
So move your thumb now for me. Oh, great movement. No triggering. Today was an interesting session. What are your thoughts?
I think it went very well. The new
technology,
that it really made a trick. You can see now.
Yeah.
It's not triggering.
It's not triggering.
Yeah, and there's minimal pain.
So
very exciting.
When you came for therapy, I gave you 3 options.
Yes.
Either you can have an injection, go for surgery, or try this method. What made you choose this method?
I had confidence in it after we explained, and we both decided let's give it a shot, the 6 sessions, and see how it goes.
Yes.
We're on our 3rd today, and there's much improvement.
So it's a good try before
we go to the extreme measures.
Okay.
Yeah, so far so good.
I think we'll resolve it, especially with the green laser that we've added.
Laser, yes, the new technology.
Thank you, Simon.
Thanks, Rob.